Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to find a USDT ERC20 wallet address on your Coinbase Wallet application. Quick note before we start. Always double check that you are on the official Coinbase Wallet app and make sure your app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play to avoid any glitches. Also, remember that your wallet address is unique to you, so never share it with anyone you don't trust. The first thing you need to do is to open your Coinbase Wallet application. After logging in, simply tap on the Add Crypto button. Now, tap on the Receive Crypto button. Now, in the search bar, search for USDT. Now select the network on Ethereum blockchain. Simply tap on Ethereum network. Now you can see your USDT ERC20 wallet address along with the QR code. Simply tap Copy to copy the address and share the QR code. And that's it. Now you know how to find your USDT ERC20 wallet address on your Coinbase Wallet application. Additional tip: if you plan to receive funds, always confirm that the sender is using the same ERC20 network. Sending USDT on a different blockchain, like TRC20 or BEP20 to an ERC20 wallet address can result in lost funds. If this video found you helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto-related videos.